Hi guys, this is Mehdi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make gaming logo in Android. Let's start. First, open Play Store. Then search Logo Esport Maker. Download and install this application. After that, open the app. Tap on Allow. In addition to the ability to create a logo, this application also provides great wallpapers, which I will show you how to use it as a background at the end of the video. So let's make an attractive logo for the game together. Select Create. There are thousands of free logos. You can also choose your own photo from your gallery. So let's choose one of these. You can make your logo bigger or smaller, or even rotate it. In this step, tap on Setting. Here, you can add color to your logo. Or change opacity of your logo. Then we want to add our name to the logo. Tap on Text. Enter your text here. Then select Add. After that, choose your font style. Now we go to the color section and change the color of our font. For example, I choose red. There are many effects for your text here that you can change any you want. In this step, select Graphics. Here we can choose our background's color or even use these backgrounds. I want to choose my background color from gradients. After selecting the background color, tap on Save. You have two format options to save your logo, JPEG or PNG. For more quality, choose JPEG. Our logo was saved and we can use it. Return to the menu section. Tap on Wallpapers. As I said in the first video, there are thousands of wallpapers that you can set as your background. All you here to do is select your favorite wallpaper. Then select Set As. After that, choose Wallpapers, Home Screen or Lock Screen or both of them. Also, you can save it directly to your gallery. I hope you can create a beautiful gaming logo with this application. If you have any questions about this application, be sure to write in the comments section.